Hi guys, welcome to our video today. I'm going to show you something how to make the 3D transformer, the Ninja out of plastic 8 point. As you can see right here, I made it out of plastic bottle, milk bottle. But before we do this, I like to show you something that on the next video we're going to make a folding knife out of plastic. And also we're gonna make. Also I have.
It's almost like a control dagger in Power Rangers Jungle Fury.
You can talk. Also next project we can make I gotta show you how to make an iPhone holder. iPhone holder is money iPhone holder. As you can see right here. This one I make out of paper. You can stand it. Okay?
Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay? By doing that now, right now, we're gonna go on to do this project right now. We don't waste time for nothing.
3,
Okay?
2, 6, 5, 8, 8, 1, 1, 3, 2.
So I use this plastic. It came out from a milk bottle here.
Wait, why is this?
Milk bottle right here. You can, as you can see right here.
Wait, is this really your phone number?
Yeah, this is my phone number. Yes. I have to cut it out all 8 pieces, as you can see right here. I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay? And what we need is, like you need, we need a butane, torch, we need a scissor, we need a lighter, we need a plank, sharp plank, and we need a ruler. Okay? As you know that we're using 3.5 size. 3.5. It's folding like this, as you can see. Con nói gì bố đâu có nghe đâu. Con cứ nói tự nhiên đi, bố với con làm mà. As you can see here, it's folding like this. By folding the paper, we're not going to folding the paper, we're going to scrape on the plastic. You see the arrow? You see the arrow we fold? So on the plastic we scrape like an arrow. I already scraped this one. So make it easy. You put the ruler down. And you scrape it out. Leave a room, little bit room right here, small room for bending the plastic. And I scrape a couple times. I make a line. I make a crease. So for us to bend it easy. See, I can bend it on the line. Right here, I can bend it right on this side. Both sides I bend it down, and then it had the crease already, so we just fold to the crease right here, and then right on this one here. Snap this one in, fold it down, press it down lightly. Hold it evenly all the way around. Use your thumb and your finger, press it real hard. That looks nice. It's a plastic, it looks same. Okay? What we have to do, we need 2 pieces like this. We need 8 pieces like this. Okay, we go ahead and do all 8 pieces.
Do it with all 8?
Yeah, and then I go ahead and do the second one. Just repeat the same thing. I crease the line already. So I have the line crease already. The line is right there. So I just crease it in on both sides. And I crease on the other. Make sure when you scrape it, you scrape in the like an arrow. So it's not gonna be wrong. Both up and down. Arrow. And I just keep squeezing in because this plastic is worked very, very good. After you squeeze it in everything now, you make sure it's flat. Now you need to use a butane lighter.
Butane lighter?
Propane. Make sure it's very, very
low.
Very low. Okay? Keep holding this. We want to make sure it's all flat, so easy for us to work on. Okay? Here I show you how.
Only if you know how to
Only if you know how to hold it, you can play with your kid, but you have to be in front of him. Make sure it's not too hot, and then you can hold firmly, tight it down, and it stay flat all the way around. If not flat, you keep do it again one more time.
What about it?
And after you get it done, you have to make it 8 of them, okay? All 8 pieces. All 8 pieces.
All 8?
All 8 pieces, same size, evenly. So it's easy for us to install them together. As you can see right here. So what is that flag? You just put it in here exactly the same. And then you have to press it down right here. You make a mark. Okay, on both sides. Mark it down. Tightly, all the way to the bottom of the first one. All the way tight down to the bottom to the first one. Mark it down and press it down like this. Press it down like this. Make sure it stay there. Now we need a little flame. Small flame. You need a small flame. And we have to hold it until it cool off. Okay, so the pieces stay right there. Now we go on the next size here. Same thing, I hold it. Remember, don't use it too hot. Don't do it too hot. Overheat, it's not gonna melt the plastic.
Melt?
Melt the plastic.
Melt?
Now I get it done, so I just put it in here.
Like that?
Like the pad, like a puzzle. Now you got 1 point already. You keep go on doing like that for 8 pieces.
Wait, is that 2 points?
Yeah, it is for 2 points right now. Okay, now you want the plastic stay tight. You heat a little bit of here. Okay. Make sure the plastic is tight down. Hold it firmly. Now you get it done one. You keep doing like this for 8 pieces. All the way you got 8 pieces. And all you need to do, you just attach together. And you need the collar. If you need the collar, you can cut the collar and you put it inside here. Like this.
Can we just cut the video up?
Just cut a piece of paper and to put it inside. Now you have a beautiful collar. Plastic collar ninja star.
Wait, can we just... Wait, never mind.
Also, this is the project that I hope you can see and you can understand what I try to explain for you and do it. And I see you next time, next project on the iPhone holder.
Okay, so make sure to subscribe, like our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.